Ladies and gentlemen, like I talk, we don't playing song for some time. You know, you self, you don't hear his name for street because he has his song right as I talk to you. You get one of his songs where he say the cost problem right now, generally both for Nigeria and outside Nigeria right now. Ladies and gentlemen, get one very sweet name. He goes by the name Sweet Brown. Sweet Brown, you're welcome.
Bro, I greet you.
Let me greet you pass. Sweet Brown, how you doing now?
Everywhere good. How you said that?
I don't see I finish. You know, the last time I talk, I say when we start to talk, we just they talk like say we dey for inside there. Yeah, we dey gist.
I say it.
I wait to make me just loving. I say when they hear your pigeon say, oh no, say this one. This one not ordinary. This one area. This one a family.
Boy, yes,
you understand? So I go. In fact, the first time you ever talk for phone, waiting attract to you first that the way your pigeon they sound. And for those who are not they used to our pigeon, then they feel the differentiate between worry pigeon and Benin pigeon.
Not be lie.
But when I hear your own, I say this one, this one be like Benin. Sweet Brown, you're welcome.
I agree to
that. Your pigeon, am I correct or am I correct? Is it worry or Benin?
Not Benin. Typical Benin.
Typical Benin.
You know the matter.
Nah, the matter with that. But yes, the first way we say go always, what's the word now? Attract person to you. I think now that your name, Sweet Brown.
Yeah.
Person go almost look and say, I be woman for calling itself that kind of name. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So Sweet Brown. Yeah. Why Sweet Brown?
Because normal level, even when I did school, like normal na Brown, based on say I like Chris Brown. Where people they call me Brown because I'm in music I they play.
Okay.
But you get when you reach and the way I come to the package my own thing, all those girls they could just say Sweet Brown. Sweet Brown. But the name just come like that.
Guess don't put you for problem. Before you know that, I guess nice studies matter and then they push this agenda. Sweet Brown. Oh, so, I love him. Fine guy. He's very cool. Sweet.
On normal level I be sweet boy. Normally.
I want to know now.
If you testify with one or two when near you.
Okay, so that's how you come about the name Sweet Brown.
Yeah.
So that's to say Brown shard inside your name originally.
Yeah.
Now, this way we say your pigeon now, Benin pigeon. Is it that you actually come from Benin, or you at some point job base for Benin before you probably can go international?
No, I be confirmed Benin boy. Confirmed Benin boy, upper boy. Anybody
where they familiar with Benin and here upper.
Not be smart.
You understand now?
Not be smart.
So you're actually welcome, Sweet Brown.
I agree to you.
So what we will start from now? We don't hear your name. We don't know say now the girls that they push you enter this name where you carry now. So Sweet Brown, because they say you sweet. Now they fit testify. You understand? But now let's look at you at your musical, journey. You don't do this business for some time now.
Yeah.
You don't do some songs and some, collaboration with some big names.
Yeah.
I mean, Zlatan did there. I see one song say you get one of your guy. I think Chris Money.
Yeah.
He do one song with you. He say yes. Now do together with what's it called now? Zlatan and all that. You don't do on this whole journey for some time.
Yeah.
But this is the first time when they really see one-on-one. I would like make you let us in, on your musical journey when you start. And why you just feel say, Bob, of all the different career where they this life, you say, Bob, now music, now you won't follow.
Music is something when busy, when we small, it already the body.
Okay.
But based on say the who don't for grow, the money not today like that. But our person when busy, he always support us with money, me and my brother.
Yes.
But that one not they do music again for now.
Okay.
Yeah. So me, I follow up. I don't need lose guard. Even when I travel go Europe, I see come back, say, I don't feel play with this music. You understand? So as I fall back, I say, this music I need to take on to the next level. So as I push myself, people see me say I push myself.
Yes.
So some of my guys and my brother, they call me and say, I'm push this level.
Okay.
So now I take they come. And the second day, I just I don't drop 2 singles recently.
Okay.
But this one, when I drop, so shock me. Say the thing just move on your own, enter different place. It shock me.
Well, you say you don't drop 2 singles before now. So what will be the title of these singles? What you don't do?
Gentleman Flex. Yeah.
Okay. I want to just breathe small. I want to tip. So one this you see this old gist we'll start from small. Go decline. So yeah, you talk about Gentleman and Flex, right?
Yeah.
As I talk to you, so Gentleman they inside the song they inside our system right now, and I would like to play them. For people to just in case they don't know, and for those who know, make all of us just join together. Enjoy Gentleman. They all will come back. Will probably tell us we shouldn't be gentleman because why they look you so upper boy, gentleman. What is the relationship? You understand? So, ladies and gentlemen, We want you this one to just wet the ground first from Sweet Brown. In call this one Gentleman. Call that time with the comeback. He don't tell us many things, and sharply, I would just like making let us know about this jam. Sweet Brown, Gentleman, the state for Benin, upper to be precise. What be the relationship, between Gentleman and
the
you?
Gentleman call me like we did studio.
If you're checking again, now women don't push you into this thing again. These women, now wow, they'll push us do what we don't really want to do. Go on.
But this one did different, because we did studio. I just the reason I say, a lot of things they go on for this world today. Okay. You hear saying, I saw this man use this woman, do this one, I saw this one, do this one, I saw man beat woman.
Yes.
I just reason I say, it don't really take you anything to become gentleman. Takes nothing to be a gentleman. I say, that thing not go bad though. Say I put her into music because myself I know the beat woman. Woman they go talk, I'll just waka leave you. And my lifestyle be that one. I feel just come up for us for 3 days. Now you go to beg.
Hey, God, I beg.
You understand?
Which kind man be this? Like, because so now when they let us in this part now, I just won't find out. You don't marry?
No.
But you get girlfriends. Sorry, girlfriend. No, tell us now. You get girlfriend, I be girlfriend. I be get just the rush.
Sure one never did, but everywhere good.
I be as a normal musician, I must lie. Say, yes, I get to. Yo, I get to, but
no, I never.
My girlfriend, they'll call for that. They'll ask for that. Say, who is your girlfriend? Say my music. That category you do, I be.
No.
You like woman, just that you never get any particular.
I like woman, but I never get real one just focus on now.
Okay.
Because I'm too busy with my music.
I just sound like that. Hey, gentleman. That's if you come up for us 3 days. Now they go beg you, say, yeah, not verse, so you come back.
You feed the vibe. That can't say.
That's not gentleman behavior.
Not gentleman behavior. Because if you say me you follow woman up the way they tell the rant, make you not go do what you not supposed to do. So you give them space. That button when they touch their head, go fall back, say, baby, now you go to beg you, I beg.
I bet not verse.
You understand?
I don't know the juju where do me.
By the time she don't shop the food when she cook it, no. Like 2 days.
You might just talk like say you don't marry. You married before.
I never married, but I don't get all the scope.
You get all the scope.
I don't get them from girlfriend side.
Okay, now we'll come back to the music because I don't want to enter matrimony now. Now, I'm not sure. You just signed on to any record label right now?
Yeah, I just signed to BMG Music.
BMG.
BMJ.
Oh, BMJ.
Yeah.
So I mean, how wanna take meet or now you the run arm or na
family label. Okay. You know why I thought na family label. My friend Win be the CEO.
Yes.
And my real friend Win be into the support me for my music. If I do my own thing that time, if I want shoot video. If he say my song there anywhere, any station, he go just press me something say, I believe in you, the push and the go. You know, my brother, and one other of my brother, they come together. Okay. Just make we create label normal level. So that's all of them take come together. So now family P. We just run on the.
It make brain. Now first, so we'll go another small break again.
Everywhere good.
This small break we won't go now just to enter market. May I tell you the truth? When we come back, I did see one song. Me, I personally love this jam. Flex. We'll talk about her. We'll talk about her. We'll know what to make you really write that song. Okay, Sweet Brown, they inside the building now. We don't talk many things. We don't hear one of his songs when he just talk, say he do. He call him gentleman. He tell us why he do the song. When he call it talk us, tell us because the way they marry. Say, this Sweet Brown don't marry, not tell us. Because when they narrate the whole thing, the narrator like remarried, but don't marry for at least 10. We get like 10 years experience. So my greatest surprise, never married. Say my girlfriend, a boyfriend, I ain't know all those things. It's okay, no wala. Let me say you know many things. So yes, from Gentleman now we move on to another single where we say this part, like I talked before I go that break. I say this particular single, me personally, I like him.
Yeah.
I love the jam. And you call him Flex. I just want to flex. So I know, I mean exactly. So I don't want I like to ask why flex, but of course, you not get who don't like to flex.
Of course.
Even Reverend Father said, everybody likes to just enjoy,
yes,
whether you like it or not. So,
yes,
I mean, and I say the song, they try, they do well,
Yeah.
But I mean, make it not be like, say, I just think on your behalf. Tell us why you just want to flex.
Okay, flex now, song going busy. When I do that song, flex, a lot of people, if you say, just that Jareja, you go club level. Okay. But not being because they come tire, say, when I do the promotion, and they go out. Go they meet even women when they say bole.
Okay.
They dash them money. Like people come surprise, say, this one are the flex. And I say my own way of flexing and giving back to the people. When I mean giving back to people, not be say you just go me to get money.
Okay.
The real people, person when they tell me say a food day, sometimes 3 days now 1,000 and she feed the sell for bole for worry. So that all those kind of love go inside market. go meet person when busy store nothing day, give her money. That one is my own way of flexing because they happy that thing alone and a big flexing.
Not be lie. And if you really look at flex, everybody within category of flexing.
Yes, sir.
You see, whatever you give, if you say this small, so as long if it's small for another person, but to that person what you give, so it make a lot of sense. You reach out to flex.
Yes, sir.
You understand? Nice one. You don't do the video of this particular song.
Yeah. I don't do the normal viral video, but the main official video, they say I want to go shoot them for SA.
Okay.
Before this other song just come.
So that song, you just want push me into that song, but I never really want drive into that song. You know, I know why. Now, who produced? Now, the same person produced this Flex and Gentleman.
No, different producer. Me, I like work with different producers.
Yeah. Okay.
Different producers, different spirits. Yeah.
Okay. So. I don't know why I just want to find more trouble. Who be your friend for this Nigerian music kingdom festival?
Nigerian music.
Yes, like who be your friend? Not be like who you look up to here to.
Yeah.
Who be your friend?
For known artist or
for known artist.
The only friend one we just call Sina my friend now for now. Many do, but the one who be say me and really Beritega.
Okay. So you and I don't do song or plan to do song?
And without a reason.
Because that's the reason why they want to ask. Because whether I like it or not, collaboration, all this kind of collaboration.
Of course.
They follow for the whole matter of the music.
Yeah.
You bring your own fan base, you bring your own fan base, when I join together, do song, then they know where the thing they enter.
Yes, sir.
You understand? A part of the flex with that.
Yes, so this period now, me and Ado already drop project. And if you see Anna, if you even check the chart, me and our song just they close to each other. So make the first shop this one.
Okay.
The normal will go drop, we must surely work.
Yes.
Now my guy will go do things together.
As you just mentioned Barry Tiga now, it just remind me of how he get issue with that guy that would be a Kata Efe, you know, when you say. So it remind me of quarrel and beef when they did for inside the Nigerian music industry. Yeah. For instance, there's this beef or quarrel where they go on between Spyro and Ubi, frankly.
Yeah.
I don't want to put it where
shout out to Ubi Franklin and my guy too.
Okay.
Me and did together 5 days ago, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. When we did with Kiss Daniel, he just called me, say make I come.
Kiss Daniel.
Yeah. You know, so Ubi, I don't feel like you will never do me wrong, but
no. Ubi said I'm my own person too. So
I did good to you, know me say I did good to that person. It happen like that.
Okay.
So now different ways.
Okay.
You understand? Okay. Things they happen.
You're not there with Kiss Daniel. Is that you plan to do a song with Kiss Daniel? No,
anything if it happen.
No. Tell them what we know now, because if you talk now, say you be now, so that means now you first talker.
Personally, he like my music. So
that's a Kiss, right?
Kiss, he tell me say he like my music, and he tell me say he go do something for me.
Okay.
So I believe say collab if it happen anytime. Yeah.
That would be a good one.
Yeah.
You know, all this collaboration and everything follow for the promo, like I always talk.
Yes.
And it goes where. In any case, I think I would like make we enjoy Flex. But of course, when we come back from Flex, now that I want to ask about one of your songs where we say they cash better fire right now on top for street and of course on top, you know, streaming platforms. Unfortunately, oh boy, we not be play this song because the smoke where they say the song, you go play this song now, say this studio go full of smoke. You understand? So we not be playing, but I go really want to ask a number of questions concerning that song and many things, but for now, will they come back? If for instance I did like this, I don't get like 10 billion naira now, I don't enter my account from nowhere. I just see and pick. You know what now do? I'll go police station. They lock me up. You can't go misbehave now.
You go police station, 10 billion.
May they lock me up. I know.
Because your man go fair fly.
Sure. May they lock me up, man. This so way beside I just they confined first. Man, if they think.
I tell you.
Then when I come out.
Now you can't invest.
I'll first make a cook starch on the grill with soup first.
like 100 million.
Oh, 100 million. Then, that's how my people don't settle down.
No, so.
Back what they think of say, hey, I beg. Investors, when I come with something, I see 10 billion people. I don't know who lost them. If not, God, don't want bless me. But of course, now Flex, now me say, we just hear just now. So, and of course, you don't actually let us in on how the whole matter be concerning that song Flex.
Yeah.
And I don't lie, you now that sweet song.
Thank
Like you know the kind of song say you just the hear man. You know how to you just sing along song.
Yeah. Anybody
you know,
feel relate with that?
sing along song. You know, you tell me just now about how you perform this song for Abuja for Rema.
Yeah, they my page.
Rema concert.
Rema
and,
concert.
oh boy, you say the way people they sing along, you shock you. You're not supposed to shock you because even you know we they play song every day for inside studio here. So when we hear song where we say different or hear song where sweet, we self would know. You understand? So shout out to Sweet Brown on top of that particular jam. Who do you say produced this song again?
Not just young boy, young boy.
Okay.
I make it non verse say name fly come off of my head because a person bring and come. His name just fly come off of my head.
You don't mean it?
You know the first time when I work with the guy.
Wow.
Now young boy, the guy good. I'll work with him again.
Yeah,
the guy
nice. Okay. You just talked about something about social media. So I would like make people actually, put a face, to this voice and name, Sweet Brown, everything. So in case they want, check you out on top social media, Instagram,
on
TikTok,
social media,
Facebook, Twitter, waiting beyond.
Okay, on Instagram, Sweet Brown Official.
Sweet Brown Official.
Yeah.
You like that Sweet Brown?
Yeah, for Instagram and for Facebook.
Okay.
Then on S, not be Twitter again.
Okay.
On S,
yes.
Sweet Brown Music.
Okay.
Yeah.
Waiting TikTok, uncle.
TikTok, same thing. Sweet Brown Official.
Sweet Brown Official. Okay,
Yes.
nice. So, ladies and gentlemen, especially ladies, if I want to confirm why some other ladies in those days name us,
they go testify. They'll come with you.
God, I beg you. I never seen my way say just too sure of yourself like this. Say they go testify. So if you want to testify, Alele one time they enter Sweet Brown Official, right?
Sweet
on
Brown
top
Official.
Instagram. And I'll see the face now. And I'll confirm whether it's sweet or not. I don't give an update to. Yeah. As I don't tell you now, only you go use your mind. Go there, maybe sweet team, did them. Now, Sweet Brown, you get on before we go that break, I tell you about one of your songs where you say it catch fire right now. For Spotify right now, Nigeria, it
did top 100.
Top 100.
Yeah.
You even show me the charts now for
Apple Music.
For Apple Music.
Yeah.
It they waiting?
It did top 100 too.
Good.
They'll go far for top 100.
Now, this is not song where we say fear not let us. When we hear fear not let us, play out for radio.
Even me shock self.
Good. And all of a sudden, it go out. And for instance, let us even look at, if you say we'll follow your trend with the kind of music where you they do normally, gentleman, lover boy, you know how to be gentleman, you know how to treat the ladies, flex, you want to give back. All of a sudden, you come with the song where you try to roll up. Roll up.
The matter self tire me.
So my first question now is, unfortunately we will not play the song, but we say the song, the numbers when they do right now, it goes well. The next question we ask now say, first, how come you just shift base from your normal gentleman and flexing spirit which spirit enter you?
Okay, the spirit and I just separate spirit on that day.
Okay.
I record a lot of songs that day. When busy, I want to put some big artists on.
Okay.
You understand? But that one just come in a different vibe. When busy, the beat just did danceable.
Okay.
And as we just roll up for studio.
Okay.
And so the thing just stay enter.
Okay.
Play. Now to record the song.
Yes.
We just say okay, make we use until end the year.
Yes.
Not be say we want push am or want promote am. We never get interest on promoting the song. We just say, since now play song, make we just put on for there.
Yes.
For the December, make they just stay enjoy go. Then we plan to go shoot Flex video for South Africa.
Yes.
As we drop the song, less than 2 weeks, the thing don't they do numbers. Don't they climb charts on your own. Now we can say, this song we go observe The one where everybody they say they overlove this one.
You know
they get that numbers. But this one when busy now roll up people. Roll up people now they now can't just the fly. You understand?
Now with this experience what you get now, gentleman, flex, roll up, call they roll up, they go. Do you like say at some point it be like say the theme or the message of my song fit change? Did you like say, Bob, if I want to drop another song next time, like say I go to do to the team when say resemble all this kind of roll up?
I just say music, you not fit talk the music when go take it to the next level.
Okay.
Now we I just believe because if you talk about good music, a lot of good songs where on the record we even fear to drop them.
Okay.
You understand? But this one, not be say not be good music, not very nice music. But because of what I talk inside,
yes,
they make some people fear.
Yes.
You understand? But the song so now reality, now life, now real life. Now they talk about life when me and you they live. When some celebrities when I make sure their name when they live.
Some
Now
celebrities.
I talk about yes. Now make sure a lot of celebrities.
For inside the song, right?
Yes, now
Okay,
Burna, many names.
Okay.
You understand? So now the life when they live too. Now I mention for the song. So I feel say those influence join with him make the song they fly
does
more
fly.
because if you say this guy they talk truth.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So I thought I say now person some of my friends when they Europe now send and give me say your song
See
they
the
top
Apple,
shout too.
yes.
You understand? Say your song they number 2. Today now at this studio we say Moshe can enter number one for Finland.
Yes.
You understand? Same for Sweden, you know, some other country. I say just be.
So that make me they ask. I say with this, you don't answer that question. You can't give me an idea or say.
Which of the question?
I say this way we say roll up now. Can't roll up. They go. Can't even leave flex. When we say people like us they enjoy. Say I love the jam. Are you going your next song now? You sure say you could go?
I get a lot in my play too.
We agree.
All this type of song, a lot day.
You don't tell us what.
A lot day.
All this kind of song.
Now me they pause. Now me they pause. Now me they pause.
Gentleman before.
Let me say I dey form out. Most of all this song, na reality. Wetin I dey do,
Okay.
waiting. I feel see other people they do. Now they
Okay.
sing about.
Yes.
So the only difference now say some place they when busy they go they say omo if you play am here. But for club, no club for this island they know they play that song.
That song, yes.
If you
Now.
enter any club, you must hear that jam, roll up. So now just the difference.
We thank God.
People
Okay.
they chop am.
Okay. When we go back again, you grew up for Benin, right?
Yeah.
And you love music. Oh, start from somewhere that you won't carry this thing enter now. Like, so which of the musicians actually inspire you, you know, that year when you grow up?
Yeah.
When you say you want to do music?
Chris Brown, Two Face.
Oh, Chris Brown.
Chris Brown and Two Face, yeah.
Wow, nice. Now, their music inspire you. Now, whether I would like it or not, Nigerian music don't go global. For instance, you
Yes,
MC inside here, inside my studio now, so Sweet Brown.
Yeah.
For Finland, your song get number 1 for
Finland and in Sweden and
you
some
understand?
other countries.
That is you dey here,
Yeah.
but see what your song don't do now. Now, so we cannot erase the fact, say, Bob. When it comes to music, Nigeria is on the global map,
Yeah,
and
so-
whether we like it or not, still when we talk about that music, get some names. In fact, just recently they won't add Big Four, but according to one of my guys yesterday, say, Bob, now this December now to know so about the Big Four never really mature. Now still Big Three now we get, you know. So
Yeah.
I want to really ask, for instance, now among these Big Three, you know them now. Who you go really talk say yes? You know what me say? Now this one I will say, man, I dey feel pass.
For the Big Three, when they make sure say Big Three. To me, now Sweet Brown be the number 1. Now Sweet Brown be the number 1.
Wait.
No cap.
You be like, say, no, you wouldn't ask you. You know that among the Big Three.
I hear what you talk, confirm, no cap. Now me be the number 1 for the Big Three. Now Sweet Brown,
Wait, which book? You take me number 1.
bro. For the book of Tinubu and many presidents, now maybe number 1. For the book of Nigerians and average Nigerians, now maybe number 1.
Wait, is it that you not really dey feel any of the Big Three, or you just dey say this thing based on say, well, we agree on Big Three day, but me, I believe myself.
I know the reason I say the Big Three because you know say normally, bro, this interview like you call me here, say
Yes.
based on say my song the top chart, me
Yes.
they talk about me.
Yes.
So the reason I say wetin dey sup when busy we call they talk about the Big Three. Those men so they don't do their own thing. All those men the kind level when they don't do for the industry, they don't reach that stage when busy they don't get anything to prove again. You understand? Now the time for people like we, as we the para so people like we when busy man, music for our body like water. Now we they supposed to talk about not be them again. They don't do that. What did they need to do for us now? Say they'll just give verse to some artists when busy. A lot of them they find out difficult to do. You understand?
Okay.
When you see talent, you give them verse. What did they want to prove again? They don't do everything. They don't get anything to prove again. Now get bigger points to prove for the industry.
Okay, no problem. So among the Big Three, Sweet
Now
Brown.
me, now Sweet Brown, now Sweet Brown be the number 1.
Okay.
Sweet Brown.
No, well, next question I want to ask now. This one not among the Big Three. He's supposed to be like your brother.
Okay.
I talk about Charlie Poppy.
Yeah.
You know, and
Yeah.
I don't know. You a Benin boy.
Yeah.
Yourself, you be Benin boy.
Yeah,
I
and
don't know
Rema.
that at any point in time I don't get any rapport, or whether when back then when I won't grow up together.
I don't really know how for Benin then, I don't feel like. You
Okay.
understand? But I like what thing they do for the industry. Income with your own vibe, your own
Yes.
style, and they kill everywhere. You
Yes.
understand? So And then Rema and my brother, that one I see other person will
Not
busy.
be
I know
lie.
they take play for the industry.
Yes.
Big shout out to Rema and Charlie Poppy, Omo. They take the music to the next level.
So talking about this Benin matter now, so how you go rate, because for instance now me I be worried, you know, and you get how some of us worry, they complain, say, man, the entertainment never really carry, especially for music, they're not too plenty. When we say don't get that to better global acclaim, but if you check them, Benin don't really try.
Benin don't try.
You understand? If you check
go
them,
reach the magic for Jack. They don't do all these things when everybody they do
so
now.
do you think that a time will come when it be like say, Bob? Okay, man, put it this way: how you want rate the Benin or
Benin
the
they take over already?
Okay.
Benin they take over the industry already. Almost everybody in the industry, you must see Benin person inside. For the top or anywhere, you must see Benin person for there. And check the industry now, the way that they go. The new sound now when they now Benin they dominate and too. So now we say Benin already they take over. See what they happen now. You know if you enter club say you know all those as you dey hear roll up, you dey hear Ozeba, you dey hear Charlie Poppy, you dey now so it be we dey give them that dance song when they define. We know they play. We not come the industry come play. Till they sub for this industry. No.
The Sweet Brown.
We not agree. Para.
Okay. Now, aside from Benin now, I mean, whether you like it or not, your song you do numbers right now on top, the streaming platforms, and people want to say, you just not say job B, because right now we're also there the era where they say, how do they call that thing? How do they call it? Farming.
Farming.
What
did they talk about?
Stream farm.
Yeah.
So are you trying to tell us now, say, Bob? This is your song when we say they do numbers now, so 76 right now for
Apple Music.
Yeah. Now just like that, it just be organic. I be get how.
Take for example, if maybe I want to do something like that. Now for this place, we don't go far. When I want to go shoot the video, now for do and put.
Okay.
If really they happen, as they talk say street farm people they when go just they wish me I don't know. I never see. Just like the way don't just talk that they say if that street farm really they. If for the one for all the artists now made a blow now, you get the money, get the power. Like where they take the one. Why be saying artists them many know they enter there, but many see the top shots. It means say the team need to go. People gotta love the song for them to enter. And if you see this one now, I just say okay, play. Now the song take go. Now some song be like CK song, you don't believe say the song will big like that after 2 years.
Yes.
So music they exceptional, not be the way you think, and not be say till they go. And that street farming, I don't see believe on her. I don't see believe on her.
Okay.
Because how you want just to manipulate sound like I want to work and you even observe now say they delete some people's song.
Yes.
This my song now don't do 2 weeks or there. If not the farming, therefore
not be
you understand?
not be lie.
So now the cocoa be that.
Okay, now 3 singles in a row: Gentleman, Flex, and of course Roll Up. Where we say Fear Not Let Us We Play. This is 2025. If you ask me, I think you are starting the year on a very beautiful note.
Yes,
what would you expect from you musically in terms of EP or album?
EP, yeah. EP, more singles first, like probably 2 single with some big name, like me. So, yes, so maybe number one.
Like one of the big 3.
You understand?
Which is
like
you.
We will be one of the big 3. One of the big 3, me, Sweet Brown. So, and some other of my colleagues will be big 2, they fish share around by themselves. So, we go work together.
Let me say this one. Big 3, big 2 now for your mind though.
Sure, for the book, I don't have to tell you now. For the book of Nigerians and average Nigerians, now maybe number 1. For the book of many men and evil men, now maybe number 1. For the book of Tinubu and many presidents, and Sweet Brown be number 1. Maybe they know.
Okay, so you try to tell us about the EP and the singles where you want to drop this year. So what will be the plan?
Okay, the plan already the EP already ready. Okay. So
you
most of
in collaborations,
collaborations. I already give you a little clue now. Say I meet with not be everything. If I give you all the clue now me say as the album drop, you say don't already
tell us now.
So okay. That's small scope. Some other artists will be say expect go inside.
Nice. People they say, people they say, Kiss Daniel get as they do. Want to say, me no Kiss Daniel 101.
Okay.
And I'm a man, and I feel I see him as easy, simple going guy. But a lot of people say, Kiss Daniel, I leave him again should have though. It's like you don't get.
Now wait till I hear too. I don't feel like you. Okay. You understand? Because me I be Benin boy. I must let you know I be. Now wait till I hear to say Kiss Daniel the carry body. When I see him, Baba just say very cool.
Okay.
I tell him say, you fresh for real ground pass real life. Instead tell me say, Sweet Brown, you fresh for real life well. You understand?
Freshness meet.
You understand? So everybody just fresh. And the way he play, he listen to my song.
Okay.
I tell me say, I like your sound though.
Yeah.
Person where they carry body. You go fair look, you say, who be this one? You understand? You know, go. I don't see anything like that. I don't be letting me there. Barry Tega there.
Okay.
A lot of other artists there. Okay. You understand? J Wiz, you know, other artists. Inyan there too.
Okay.
Baba don't do anything like that. And he record a lot of songs. Daddy record a lot of songs.
Okay, nice. Now, a lot of people they listen to you right now, and of course they would like to, pick one or two things because you don't there for this matter now for some time.
Yeah.
Whether you like it or not, now see your song roll up, you do well. See people you don't mingle with. I bet you some people they say for their artists for their mind say, God, I wish I feel just. Even at this kind of interview, I just will get for radio self.
Yes.
Let me say, I will not start they make. So, what be the kind pep talk or advice where we say you feel, stretch out?
The advice when I get to them, I say there was a time when me self, they think say, I wish I feel just meet with this artist now. I wish I feel meet with this one now. But today, I don't meet with almost all the other artists. David, all of them. Like I don't meet with them one on one. You understand?
Yes.
So like as long as you continue to. You need to believe on yourself first before anybody. Anything when you want to become for this life, just like as I talk, saying me be number one, I believe and it go happen for this industry. So if you not believe, you not go feel happen.
Okay.
It just be like say you want make you be number one for the whole world. You yourself not believe, you just get that kind of thing you say, I want make it for like. You not believe. But if you believe, that energy when you take the follow up and you go reach there. So don't say it just be.
It's about the energy.
Yeah, you
right
need to put in the energy
to achieve your dream. Anyways, thank you so much, Sweet Brown. As you follow us, come make our evening sweet this evening on top of the show for Naija FM 102.7. We expect more EPs, more singles, and of course EP, and especially a particular collaboration where we say you don't really let us in, where you take time, just want to talk, but no problem. When you come out, now still for here, now I'll go for
yes,
play the jam. You understand? So yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, just go to stream as we not play roll up for go street or go how do they call it now? Streaming platforms from Spotify,
Apple Music, they all music platforms. Audio
just enter there. I made a
roll
search
up,
for
Sweet Brown.
Roll ups, which is spelled ROLL
and
up.
UP, up.
Roll up.
Yeah, roll up, Sweet Brown. That's
roll up. Anything where you hear for the song, take it like that.
It goes sweet.
We're rolling up. Yeah, that's what I that. All right, since we not feel roll up, and since we don't enjoy gentleman, I think we just need to flex again on Friday. You understand? On Friday.
Flexing upon flexing.
Then before you go, yes, I want to ask now. Yes, EP singles will drop this year.
Yeah.
I don't know that you talk about how you performed for Rema show for Abuja last year.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know whether you get plans, to do probably your own concerts, or whether you don't do any of your own concerts for maybe like for Benin.
Sure. I plan to do it this year. I'll do concert for a lot of places.
Okay.
I'll do concert for Europe because I don't stay for Italy for like 4 years.
Okay.
So I'll do for them because a lot of my friends there they call me say make I come.
I bet not place. Where you even based? Now Nigeria you did.
Nigeria based now. Okay. Now, yeah. So why some because I don't stay for France. Okay. So some they say make I come France, but I go start that one from Italy.
You flex you love Europe.
As the song they do well now for those Europe side now, so I'll do concert on those side. Okay. Then for Benin and Lagos, I go do this year. Okay. Personally, yeah, okay. I'll run out this year.
Nice one. So if you want to do a concert for like Benin or Lagos now, which artists they look like when you say go?
Now my brothers first now.
Okay.
My brothers, then my G's them for the industry.
Okay.
Keys, VCD there now, normal level. Okay. Them Rema, Charlie, other big artists.
Inshallah, God good
last, many of them, all of them fit come safe.
And when they come, and are full flexing.
Yes,
full flexing.
Ladies
and gentlemen, I'm not gonna lie, your time not there for who say yes. Maybe we will take 1 or 2 calls, but we'll leave it like that. Only Sweet Brown talk himself. You don't cover for all the calls. You get much. I say who among the big three? Now you.
Now me, Sweet Brown.
All right, nothing can.